A tortoise can run with a speed of 0.1 meter per second and a hare can run 20 times as fast. In a race, they both start at the same time, but the hare stops to rest for 2 minutes. The tortoise wins by a shell of 20 centimeter. And then A, how long does the race take? And then B, what is the length of the race? So let's see here. This is the tortoise and this is the hare. So here we have the start line. And here this is the finish line. Remember that the tortoise won. Okay? But then he won by 20 centimeter. So this distance here that the hare finished here, that will be 20 centimeter. Or I will make it in SI unit. So I will have 20 centimeter is 0.2 meter. Okay, that is good. And then let's see the time here. So here the actual time by this hare is t minus 2 minutes. So the time here, the actual time taken by this hare is t minus 2 minutes or minus 120 from this point until this point, right? Why minus 20? Because the effective time is t minus 20 because it stops in the middle of the race, right? So the effective time is t minus 120. But then the tortoise start from here until the finish line here, that will be t, right? Okay. And then what else that we have here, this tortoise can run with a speed of 0.10. So our speed of the tortoise here, v is 0.10 meter per second. And then the hare is 20 times as fast. So I will have the speed of the hare is 0.1 multiplied by 20, which is 2 meter per second. But then this all will be very confusing, right? So let's recap that into some tables here. So we will have our tortoise here. Let's have our tortoise. And then let's have our hare here. And we have three things, right? Time, and then distance, and also speed. So let's make this column here that we have time and then distance and also speed, right? So I will have time, distance, and speed. Good. Okay, for time, the tortoise actually use all the time here running, so I will have t here. But for hare, we have t minus 120 seconds. So have t minus 120 seconds. And then for the distance, okay, maybe let's assume the distance from the start to finish here. That will be our x, right? That is our distance from start to finish. So the tortoise goes all the way from start to finish. So I will have x. But then for the hare, it finished here, right? 20 centimeter from the tortoise. So I will have x minus 0.2, right? And then what is their speed for the tortoise? We will have 0.1 here. So I will have 0.1. Okay. And then for the hare, we have 2. Good. Okay, now what can we do from here? Remember that we have distance, right? Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time, right? Remember this because they are constant the velocity of their movements is constant, right? So we can just use this distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. But then the distance of the tortoise here, we will have x that will equal to speed that will be 0.1 and then multiplied by t. Good. And then for the hare here, so this is from the tortoise, have the hare here, we have distance here, so I will have x minus 0.2, and then that will equal to speed, which is 2 multiplied by t minus 120. And now what can we do is just doing substitution, right? So we have x is equal 0.1 t. So let's plug that in. So we will have 0.1 t and then minus 0.2. And we will have this one, so I will have 2t and then minus 240. Good. Now what can we do? Let's play along. So I will have 2t here minus 0.1t, and then we will have 240 and then minus 0.2. Okay, so we will have 1.9t, and that will equal to, I think I will have 239.8 here. Okay, and we can just solve for this. So that is how long does the race take. So I will have t here is equal to, okay, let's use calculator for that. We'll have 239.8 divided by 1.9. So we will have 126.21. 126.21, and the unit will be in second. But then we are also asked about the length of the race, which is this x here, and x is 0.1 t. So I will have x is 0.1 multiplied by this, so I will have 12.621. And the unit here will be in meter. And I think that is the final answer for this question. Hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.